Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Updating an older C extension for Python 2.x to Python 3.x can be a crucial step to ensure compatibility with the latest Python versions. The transition from Python 2 to Python 3 involved several changes in the language syntax and APIs, and these changes also affect C extensions. In this tutorial, we'll go through the process of updating a simple C extension for Python from version 2.x to version 3.x, using code examples along the way. Understanding of C programming: you should be familiar with C programming to follow along. Python 3 installed: make sure you have Python 3 installed on your system. The first step is to identify the changes needed for Python 3 compatibility. Key differences include the handling of Unicode, integers, and the Pyint object structure. Replace any outdated header files related to Python 2 with their Python 3 equivalents. For example, replace python.h with python.h. Update data types and functions that have changed between Python 2 and Python 3. Some common changes include: Pyint object to Pylong object: replace occurrences of Pyint object with Pylong object for integer-related operations. String handling: replace PyString with PyBytes for string-related operations. Print statements: update print statements using the print function syntax. Update any code that deals with Unicode strings. Python 3 introduced a clearer separation between byte strings, str in Python 2, and Unicode strings, str in Python 3. Use PyUnicode functions instead of PyString functions. Once the code is updated, you'll need to rebuild the C extension. Use the following command to build the extension. Test the updated extension with Python 3. Ensure that the extension works as expected without any errors. Let's consider a simple example C extension that calculates the square of a number. Python 2.x version. Updated Python 3.x version. This example illustrates the changes needed for the square function to work with Python 3. Remember, the changes required may vary depending on the complexity of your C extension. It's essential to consult the official Python documentation for the most up-to-date information on C extensions and their compatibility with Python 3. ChatGPT.